If your words are just a colorful facade built of sheer falsehood, don't expect your opinion to carry any weight among the big leagues. Your accomplishments should speak for you. Remember this simple rule, which is professed by only a limited number of successful people. There is a simple correlation. The stronger you become, the less your need for someone else's approval. When you are nothing on the inside, you will grasp for external approval. When you have nothing to show for it, indeed, your weapon of choice becomes word of mouth. But it's like a papier-mâché sword. It looks solid, but once you wield it, the secret is out. Time will tell. A talker will never accomplish more with words than a man of action. At the same time, there is a fundamental difference between idle talkers and the powerful, though at first indistinguishable but essential. Great men talk about their achievements and accomplishments. Jesters talk about their plans and dreams. Talking about what you are not capable of making real is a step into the void. After all, you still have so much effort to make, so much to do, and you already feel like a winner even though you are not. The result in this case is as clear as 2 times 2. You do not do anything. You do not confirm your words with action. So ask yourself a question. What do you want from this life? You succeed when the metronome of your pride is at rest. When the reins of their raging emotions are clenched tightly in your fist, you no longer feel the need to seek approval from the world. It encourages you to seek that which will satisfy the insatiable hunger of your ambition. There are no alternatives to this.